Start the new year 2025 with Broccoli Semolina Bars, a healthy bake loaded with vegetables. Let's begin by prepping our ingredients. First, take 150 gram of fresh broccoli florets and slice them like this. Next, separate 120 gram of cauliflower florets and add them to the bowl. To this, add grated 1 inch fresh ginger and finely chopped 1 green chilli for zest. Add 80 gram of cottage cheese, paneer and grate everything in a food processor until it's well combined. Now let's season it. Half teaspoon of salt or adjust it to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper for a subtle kick. For binding, I'm going to add in 4 gram of cornflour and mix. Then gradually add 22 gram of oats flour. Simply grind rolled oats into the powder. Mix until the mixture holds its shape like this. Finally, drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil and give it a final mix. Now time to layer and bake. Line a square tin with a reusable baking sheet. Transfer the broccoli mixture and spread it evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Once done, let it cool completely. Next, prepare the semolina layer. For that, in a bowl combine 150 gram of semolina, 95 gram yogurt. Mix lightly, then add 40 gram of water. Stir and let it rest for 15 minutes. While it rests, let's make a quick tempering. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and let them crackle. Toss in 12 to 16 curry leaves and let them crisp up. Set this aside to cool. Now mix the semolina batter with 95 gram of finely chopped cabbage, 25 gram finely chopped capsicum, 20 gram finely chopped carrot, 1.5 teaspoon salt or to taste, half teaspoon red chili powder. Adjust the consistency by adding 10 to 20 ml water. The batter should remain thick. Stir in half of the tempering and mix well. Spread this semolina batter evenly over the cool broccoli layer. Before we bake, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my eggless baking recipes. Place the layered bars in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius and bake for 22 to 30 minutes until the top turn firm, golden and crispy. Baking time may vary depending on your oven, so keep an eye on it. Once baked, let it cool slightly in the pan for about 10 minutes. Carefully remove it and just look at those layers. Slice it into bars. And garnish with the remaining tempering, crispy curry leaves and mustard seeds. Serve warm with some fresh coriander chutney for the perfect pairing. Start your new year with this healthy, flavorful broccoli semolina bars recipe, a delightful treat to share with your friends and family. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi, bringing you eggless delights every week. See you soon with another recipe next week.